Greetings fam, if you've been looking for a serious lab-grade water bath that can keep samples stable, accurate, and properly temperature controlled for experiments, this one is worth a close look. Tap that link in bio and see why the VISOSCI 8L Lab Water Bath with Circulating Pump is getting attention in lab setups. I went deep into research on this type of lab water bath, checking technical specs, lab equipment standards, and real-world usage across scientific environments to understand how it actually performs. What stands out immediately is that this is not just a simple heated container, it's a controlled thermal system designed for precision experiments where temperature stability directly affects results. At its core, this 8L water bath uses a PID temperature control system, which is important because it continuously adjusts heating to maintain stable conditions instead of just turning heat on and off. In practical lab terms, this helps keep temperature fluctuations extremely low, which is critical for experiments like enzyme reactions, sample incubation, or chemical testing where even small changes can affect outcomes. The built-in circulating pump is another major feature. Instead of having uneven hot and cold spots in the water, the pump constantly moves water around the chamber to maintain uniform temperature distribution. This is especially important when multiple samples are placed inside at once, ensuring every sample experiences the same conditions. Temperature performance is strong for its category, with a range up to 100 degrees Celsius, which covers most biological and chemical lab applications. Based on similar systems, PID-controlled water baths typically maintain stability within a very tight margin, often around plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius to plus or minus 0.3 degrees Celsius depending on setup and load conditions. This level of consistency is what separates lab-grade equipment from basic heating baths. The three-sided viewing window design is also practical in real use. It allows you to visually monitor samples without constantly opening the lid, which helps prevent heat loss and temperature fluctuations. In lab environments, that kind of stability can make a noticeable difference in experimental reliability. It also includes useful operational features like timer settings, continuous mode, and dry burn protection. Dry burn protection is especially important because it automatically prevents heating when water levels are too low, helping protect both the heating element and the samples being tested. In real-world use, this type of water bath is commonly used in research labs, biotech work, medical testing, and educational environments. Research on similar 8L circulating baths shows they are valued for consistent heating, reliable circulation, and stable long-duration operation, especially when working with sensitive biological or chemical samples. Now let's be honest, because this matters. While this system is solid for general lab and educational use, it's not at the level of ultra-high-end industrial circulators that offer extreme precision, advanced cooling functions, or sub-0.01 degrees C stability. It also requires proper water management and maintenance, like keeping the tank clean and ensuring correct water levels, to maintain accuracy over time. Overall, the VISOSCI 8L Lab Water Bath is a strong, practical option for labs, schools, and research setups that need reliable temperature control with good circulation and visibility. It's precise, stable, and feature-rich for its class, but it's best suited for standard lab workflows rather than highly specialized industrial or pharmaceutical-grade applications. Click the link below for the best price.